Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Is your JVC Smart TV not detecting your USB drive? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and fastest ways to fix this problem in just a few minutes. Whether you want to play movies, music, or view photos, these simple steps will get your USB working again. Step 1. Check USB drive compatibility. The first and most common reason your JVC Smart TV doesn't detect a USB drive is because of an incompatible file format. Most JVC Smart TVs only support FAT32 or exFAT file systems. If your USB is formatted as NTFS, the TV simply won't read it. To fix this, plug your USB into a computer, right-click the drive, and choose Format. Under File System, select FAT32 or exFAT, then click Start. Remember, formatting erases all data, so back up your files first. Once formatted, safely eject the USB and plug it back into the TV. If your files now appear, you've solved the problem. Step 2. Check the USB port and cable. If formatting didn't help, the issue might be with the USB port itself. Try plugging your drive into a different port on your JVC TV. Most models have 2 or more ports, usually on the side or back. If the other port works, the first one might be damaged or dusty. Use a soft brush or gentle air to clean it. Also, try a different USB drive. If that one works, your original USB could be faulty. Step 3. Power cycle the TV. Sometimes your TV just needs a quick reset to refresh its USB detection system. Unplug your TV from the power outlet. Wait for 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for about 10 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple step clears temporary glitches and often restores USB detection. Step 4. Update your TV software. If your JVC Smart TV is running outdated software, it may not recognize newer USB drives. Grab your remote and go to Settings, then About, then Software Update. Choose Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. After updating, plug in your USB again. Chances are, it'll work perfectly now. Step 5. Factory reset the TV. If nothing else works, you may need to perform a factory reset, but only as a last resort, since it will erase all your apps and settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Reset, and choose Factory Reset. Confirm your selection and let the TV restart. After the reset, plug in your USB drive again. This often clears deep software bugs that prevent detection. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix your JVC Smart TV when it's not detecting your USB drive. These quick and easy methods usually solve the issue within minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.